So special thanks to this company for sending us their math calculator for kids. As you can see, it has adding and subtraction, multiplication, division, breakthrough games, and funny formula. Not sure what that means. I think just the design. Nothing around the side of the box besides the type, which is white, yellow, bear, or deer. We got a deer, and product information says it's for ages 4 and up, and this is the model V18. It's made out of plastic. It's made out of ABS plastic and electrical components. Again, special thanks to this company for sending it to me. So let's unbox it and show you what you get here. So this is probably good for like a preschooler, kindergartner, etc. It's rechargeable. That's always cool. And that's it for the box. So it includes a little USB-C type cable to charge the device up. It's helpful. Also has a nice little manual here to tell you everything else that you'd need to know. And then that's it for that. This is the actual calculator. So the USB-C port's on the bottom. That's where you charge it at. You've got a volume rocker here basically. So there's power.
Welcome to the Later Genius. Please start challenge. Welcome to the Later Genius.
And that's a little louder.
Please start challenge. 5 seconds timer.
5 minus 5 is 0.
3.
9 minus 2 is 8. Oh, wow, I really just did that. That was 7. All right.
Remember, compare numbers. Find the law. Remember numbers. First round. Addition formula. 1. Addition. 1 equals 2. 1. Addition. Subtraction formula. 2-digit addition and subtraction operations. Remember compare find the law.
So basically it'll give all those kind of little games like I just did, you know, do 9 minus 2 equals 7. And it has a nice speaker here on the back, and you can, you know,
Welcome to the Later
have it a little
Genius.
lower.
Please start.
This bottom one is actually off, so there's medium,
Welcome
or
to
there's
the
low
Later-
and high.
Welcome to
So that'll essentially do it for this math oral calculator trainer for kids. Thank you all for watching. Thanks again to this company for sending it to us, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.